what's up guys? I just woke up. Today is the 10th day of March and I'm heading to school to attend the recognition day of my daughter. It's about turning grade 2. In God's will, she'll be fine. So, gotta check it out. I'm heading right now to the school from my home. Yeah, and checking the activity in the school. This is our place, and I'm heading out. Yeah, and a cloudy day, but it's hot. Going out. Some kind of visitor. There's a lot of vehicle on the road, and I'm driving while filming it just to give you some awesome video. I'm checking out my daughter, guys, and she's inside. She got an award. Yoo-hoo. Hi guys, my daughter got an award as a great honor character in Star Scout. Wow, congratulations! It's my daughter, guys. Higit sa amin mo ba? Higit sa amin mo. Higit sa amin mo. Higit sa amin mo. Ha? Mayroon. Paano ka mari? Kari ko? Paano ka mari? Paano ka mari? Ha? Paano ko matutunan si ma'am mo? Ito ba? Oh, paano lang ito? To continue their good achievement in both academic subjects and non-academic subjects of education. Let us also encourage all of our colleagues in the teaching profession to continue using this means of inspiring our children in school. At this point in time, we say our warmest congratulations to all our young achievers and to the supportive parents who sacrifice for their children. May they continue to inspire our children in the coming years. Thank you very much, and may our
she's heading right now, guys, to the room. Yeah, she's walking slowly. Malingkat matuding kwantuin award niya, karakter. Star Scout ibang kuwan. Ito na. Iraw na kunin award niya.
With honor.
With honor.
Scout.
Scout. Simula sila ini.
Sila iraw na. Ulo, tuwing pa niya to.